Stock investing. How I made over 55,000 in 5 days. After watching this video until the end, I'm gonna reveal 7 stocks that have the potentials. Would it be possible to travel around the world by trading stock options? Or what is a real web beta in stock market? Welcome to World Traveling Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. So from February 2nd to February 6th, I made over 55,000. Long term gain was 64,000. So if I just select only 4 days instead of 5 days, hey, I'm making over more than that. Okay, more than that. I need to refresh it. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna show you what are the trades that I did and what made me the biggest return. So long-term gain, 64,000. So if you go look at this way, the losses, the bigger losses at the top is the option. Then I have 3, 4, 5, 6 losses. So other than that, all are profits. But the biggest one came from the stock, ASML. ASML, I sold it for 64,000. So if you look at this, if stock investing is where you build the most wealth, right? But the thing about stock investing is that you need to invest in the stock for at least 1 year or longer. 5 years better. Then you don't take it out. It has to be great companies. So that means that during these months, what will you use to eat? How will you make money? It's option. Stock, yeah, you can sell one stock and make 65,000. So basically, you are making over 5,000 a month. But then, from the beginning of the year to the end of the year, you have nothing to eat, right? So in order to feed your family, take care of your family, travel around the world, you need daily income or weekly income. So the stock option provides me the weekly income like this. So I do trading, stock trading regularly. So it's just like stock investing, like buy a land. Then after that, you have apple trees. You can plant apple trees. It may take time for the trees to grow. Then after that, once it grows, you get lots of fruit, apples that you can eat a lot. But in the meantime, if you have one apple tree and it has apple, you can eat daily to survive. So it's very important to have both strategy. Invest in great companies for long term with the money that you don't need. Maybe you don't need it for like 1 year, at least 1 year, or if you can hold it for 5 years, it's even better. After that, you have some extra money to trade stock option. Then you trade money daily, weekly, monthly. That's how you make money. So you need all these two strategies, long term and also short term. So what do? I invest in great companies that hold it for as long as possible. And it's stock investing, that call option, put option, invest option to take care of my family. So let's look at the S&P 500. Year today is 0.37. Today S&P 500 is down 1.57. Year to date is okay. It has a move. Year to date Nasdaq is down. Today is down 2%. So very normal, very normal. I'm gonna tell you why it was down in a few minutes. Dow Jones is positive. Dow Jones is probably the only index that's positive. One day today is down. Very normal. So why did they go down? It's because there is a CPI data tomorrow. And also yesterday, the employment report was much better than expected. 55,000 expected, now 130,000. Look at this. And also the jobless claims and the home. Basically, today the data came out. Existing home sales 2.91 million versus 4.15 million. Home sales prices are going up, so not a lot of people buy homes. So inflation worry. So investors think that Federal Reserve may not may not cut the interest rate. They may push it to July. The first interest cut rate may possibly happen in July. So that's why stock market went down. A little bit nervous, but depending on the tomorrow data, stock market could be positive again. So let's see how it's gonna be. So stock number 7, AMAT, is up 30.29% year to date, or not today, after hours. Year to date is at 22.14%. So this stock tomorrow when it opens, it could be positive. Usually when the stock come up after the earnings report, it tends to possibly go up a few more days. So you can do call option trading for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, expiration date. Then you can profit from it, right? Of course, this is not financial advice. This is what I would do. I'm thinking out loud. I could possibly do to profit. I owned this stock before, but I sold it way long. But when you are at advanced level, remember most of your losses come from lost opportunities. You sell your stock too soon. Because once you are advanced level, you know great companies. But the thing is that some people might borrow money on margins, they get liquidated, they lose money. Even though they get the stock right, they may still lose money because of borrowing margins. And they may not be patient. Then after that, they sell it too soon. For beginner, most beginners make mistake by buying crappy companies, right? The companies that don't make money, the companies on the hype, they buy these bad companies, they lose money, and they do not study stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option. So those are beginner mistake. Advanced mistake and beginner mistake, they are different. Intermediate will be people don't cut loss quickly, or they sell they probably not patient enough. You know, they profit only a few profits. They cut loss too late. That's the intermediate mistake. Let's look at stock number 6. Stock number 6, year to date, 1.14% up, and today after report earning, it's up 12.46. So tomorrow it will be interesting. Most likely says the stock could go up a few more days too. If you have any question, comment down below. I'll try to answer as many as possible. So next one, ABNB, year to date down 12.82%. Hey, this is probably what I like to buy. After earnings, it jumped. ABNB is a long game. A long game. I think one day they may be, the stock could go up. One day. That's what I think. Palo Alto, this is in downtrend right now. Year to date 9.3% down. But I think it's a great company. Here, 5 year it beat S&P 500 easily. So I will watch this stock, possibly to get in. Next one, Walmart, look at this, year to the up 18.52%. Really good for inflation and bad economy. Walmart has been doing pretty well over the past 5 years. Beat S&P 500. Maxima, look at this, the ladder. Wow, Walmart's performed pretty good, not bad for a grocery store. So that's why it takes some time. If you just hold it for like 2021, 2022 for 1 year, it did not move much. Even for 2023, did not move much. Only 2-3 years, it did not move so much at all. 48 to 54 is nothing. But look at this. Over the past 5 years, 2001, 2004, after 3 years, year 4, year 5, it just double. Look at this. That's why you need time. Stock investing need time. Very important. So that's why just buy great companies, hold it for 5 years, then trade stock option every day, every week, every month to make money. Next one, Alibaba. Year to date 1.92% year to date. 5 year it beat S&P. It doesn't beat S&P 500, but it's going up Trump. So let's see. The reason why I don't own Chinese stock is because of regulation. They are not so stable. So no, not gonna buy Chinese stock for now. Okay, next one, AU gold, because gold price goes up. This one is up 32.35%. 5 year ABS and find very easily. So which stock do you like the most? Comment down below. I like AMAT, I like ANET, I like ABNB, Palo Alto, Walmart. Okay, it's just that I don't like grocery store business. That's all. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I like 4 stock. So if you want to learn more, go to Master Stock Option Crypto. You can check out my live video right here, and you can go to the playlist as well. If you want to reach out to me in the comment down below, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next